Welcome to DAHO Display. We are a professional manufacturer of supermarket shelves and retail display fixtures. We have 20 years of experience in this industry. Our factory covers 40,000 square meters, and we have more than 300 skilled employees. We produce many types of display products, including supermarket shelves, retail store shelves, clothing racks, storage shelves, glass cabinets, and customized display fixtures. We also provide store layout design based on customers' needs. From design to production and installation, we offer one-stop support for our business partners. If you are looking for a reliable supplier for supermarket shelves and retail display solutions, DAHO Display is ready to support your business. Feel free to contact us.